How to solve TikTok not working. First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps here on this page, you will find every app you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is just wait a few seconds and then scroll, or just go to the search bar here, search for TikTok, and then go to the internal storage, click on clear data and click on delete. Go back, click on clear cache, and now click here on data usage. Make sure that all those options are enabled, and then go to the power usage details, click on force stop down here, go back to the settings of your phone, open the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 20 seconds and disable it again. Now restart your phone, reopen TikTok, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.